So now that we have this list of random numbers, or we just have our random numbers, we want to pick a random winner from this S players array. So what we're going to do is something called a modulo function to use that random number to actually pick one of the people in our array. So let's talk about the mod function. Here in Remix, I've got this contract called example modulo with two functions, get mod 10 and get mod 2. This modulo function is going to basically do a divide operation. It's going to divide our number by 10, but instead of returning our number divided by 10, it's going to return the remainder. So if we think of it like this, if we think of 10 divided by 10, this divides evenly. So the remainder is 0. There's 0 groups or 0 numbers unaccounted for. But if we did 10 mod 9, let's think of this even differently. 10 divided by 9 equals 1 point something, right? Some fraction. So basically 9 of the 10 are divided evenly, but there's 1 left over. So 10 mod 9 would equal 1. Or even easier, we take 2 mod 2, we'll get 0 because 2 and 2 divide evenly, but 2 mod 3 would equal 1 because there's 1 left over. What about 2 mod 6? Does 2 mod 6 divide evenly? Well, yes, it does. So this would equal 0. What about 2 mod 7? 2 divides evenly into 7 3 times, and there's 1 left over. So this would be 1. So our modulo function is going to be, it's going to get the remainder after dividing. So we can even do some examples of mod 10, and this is going to be in the GitHub repo associated with this course. If I have 1, 2, 3, I get the mod, we have 3 left over because 120 divides evenly into 10, and then we have 3. 123, we have 3 left over. So if I do this major huge number, what do you think our remainder is going to be? Yep, it's 2, because this number divides evenly into 10, and then we have 2 left over. So if we do mod 2, what do you think this is going to be? It's an even number, so it's going to be 0. If I do this, what do you think it's going to be? It's going to be 1, right? So this is this modulo function, and we're going to use it to pick a random winner out of our array. So if we go back to our code here, we can pick the index of the winner by using this mod function. Let's say S players is of size 10. There's 10 players. How do we use this random number to pick a random winner? Let's say our random number, our RNG is 12. So what we would do is we would say, okay, 12 mod 10 is going to equal 2. So whoever's at index 2 in the array is going to be our random winner, right? The random number we're going to get back is going to more likely be something like this. And then we just do that number mod 10, or the length of the array, to get the winner. And this one, it's probably going to be 5, right? So this is how we can always get a number between 0 and 9 to pick one of our random players. So what we're going to do is we're going to say in 256, index of winner equals random words at index 0, because we're only getting a single random word, mod or modulo S players.length. So this is how we can pick a random winner. Cool. Once we have the index of the winner, we can say address payable, and get the payable winner equals S players index of winner. Huzzah. And now this winner, what are we going to do? We're going to give them some money. And for this, I like to keep track of the most recent winner just to make it easier to see who most recently won. Up at the top, we're going to make a new address private S_recent winner. We're going to copy this. We're going to scroll down. We're going to say recent winner equals winner. And then we're going to want to pay them, right? And we learned how to do good payments strategies. So we're going to say bool success, comma blank equals recent winner dot call. Value is going to be address this dot balance. So we're going to give them the entire balance of this contract. So all of the ticket sales are going to go to this winner. We're going to pass them nothing. Oops, this is going to be winner, winner.call. Bank blank bytes for the object. And then we're going to say, and then we're going to make sure that this transfer went through successfully. We're going to say if not success. So this little exclamation mark stands for bang or not. We're going to go ahead and revert with some custom error, right? So we are going to make a custom error for this one. So we're going to go up to our other errors that we have. We're going to make a new error raffle __ transfer failed. I'm going to copy this, scroll back down to my revert here, paste it in, boom. So if it fails for whatever reason, we're going to go ahead and do this transfer here.